Hello and welcome to SwiftCoin, the crypto trading bot that helps you earn more profits with less risk. In this video, we will show you how to set up your SwiftCoin account and start trading in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a personal account on SwiftCoin. To create a personal account on SwiftCoin app, click on the Personal button. Fill out all the required entry fields, such as your email and password. If you have a referral code, please enter it here. Then, click Send to receive an email verification code. You will receive a verification OTP to activate your account. Enter the verification code you have received to complete the verification process. Now you can log into your account. It will lead you to our dashboard, where you can see your balance and performance. Step 2. To use SwiftCoin, you need to verify your identity. This is to ensure the security and compliance of our platform. To verify your identity, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the dashboard. Go to Profile and fill out all the required entry fields, such as your address and date of birth. Then, choose your identity document, such as your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Select any one of the certification types and fill out the ID number and click Continue to proceed. Next, you need to upload a photo that shows the front of your ID document clearly. Then, upload a photo that shows the back of your ID document clearly. Finally, capture a photo of yourself holding your ID card in your hand and upload it. Congratulations! You have completed the process. We are working on approving your verification. It may take up to 24 hours for us to review your documents and confirm your identity. Step 3. To trade with SwiftCoin Bot, you need to connect your SwiftCoin account to your exchange account via API key. This will allow SwiftCoin to access your exchange account and execute trades on your behalf. Start by logging into your Binance account and click on the API management icon. Click on Create API at the top of the page. Under Choose API Key Type, select System Generated and click Next to proceed. Label your API key as SwiftCoin in the pop-up box, then click Next. Complete the security verification by entering the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app and click Submit. Open the SwiftCoin app, navigate to the API page, and click Create under Binance. Scroll to the bottom of the SwiftCoin API page and copy all IP addresses listed for whitelisting. Return to Binance API settings, select Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only, and paste the copied IP addresses. Click Confirm to proceed. Enable spot, margin trading, and futures permissions, as well as permits universal transfer. Carefully copy your API key and secret key from Binance. Switch to SwiftCoin, paste your API key and secret key into their respective fields. Review the terms, tick the consent box, and click Submit. Return to the Binance API page and save all the changes that you have made to secure your API settings. Complete any additional verification prompts from Binance to ensure all security measures are in place to protect your account. Step 4. Before you start trading with SwiftCoin Bot, you need to deposit some USDT into your SwiftCoin wallet. USDT is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar. We will continue to use Binance as an example here. To deposit USDT into your SwiftCoin wallet, you need to follow these steps. Go to your Binance app and click on the wallet's icon and select Spot. Under your Spot wallet, click Withdraw. Select USDT from the coin list. To withdraw, select the Send via Crypto Network option. Fill out all the required entry fields, such as the amount and the network. Go to SwiftCoin app on your device and click on the wallet icon. Deposit USDT into SwiftCoin wallet. Deposit 5100 USDT for necessary charges. Copy the wallet address that is shown on the screen. On Binance, input the wallet address that you copied from SwiftCoin. Choose the network that you want to use for the crypto transfer. In this case, we will demonstrate with Tron TRC20. Make sure that the network you choose matches the network you selected on SwiftCoin. Enter the amount that you want to transfer to SwiftCoin wallet. Under Send From, select Spot and Funding Wallet. Verify the amount that you are transferring and click on Confirm. Click on Withdrawal to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation email from Binance. You will also receive a notification from SwiftCoin that your deposit has been received. You will see the amount that you sent on your SwiftCoin wallet. Step 5. Now you need to transfer some USDT from your SwiftCoin wallet to your SwiftCoin bot for necessary charges. Log into your SwiftCoin account and navigate to the main dashboard. Tap on the wallet icon. Inside your wallet, locate and select SwiftBot to proceed. Then, click the deposit button to begin the transfer process. Enter the amount of USDT you'd like to deposit, then tap Confirm. A success message will pop up. Simply click OK to complete the process. Step 6. Set the starting capital and wallet limit. To begin your trading journey, you need to set the starting capital and the wallet limit. You can adjust these settings according to your risk appetite and trading goals. To set the starting capital and the wallet limit, click on the bot icon. Select your preferred exchange. In this case, we will demonstrate with Binance. Edit the initial capital amount by clicking on the Edit button. Enter your initial capital amount and wallet limit. The initial capital amount should be less than or equal to the amount that you transferred to your bot. The wallet limit should be less than or equal to the initial capital amount. Click Submit to proceed to the next step. Step 7. Now, to set up Autopilot and automatically copy the market's top-performing portfolios, begin by tapping the bot icon on your dashboard. This action will navigate you to the bot page, where you'll have the option to select your preferred exchange. For now, Autopilot is only available for Binance, so make sure you select that option. Next, tap on Set Preferences to proceed. Autopilot will automatically trade to match the portfolio with the best returns, while Autopilot with Compound will automatically trade to mimic the portfolio that compounds profits. Select the Autopilot option and choose your preferred trading method, either trade using the default fund size or set your own fund size. Before you activate Autopilot trading, please read the details carefully. Tap on Confirm to start trading. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Autopilot trading. You can now sit back and relax, while Autopilot does the work for you. You can monitor the performance of your coin pairs on the portfolio page. Thank you for choosing SwiftCoin. Happy trading!